Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video we are going to talk about present continuous tenses, and the learning outcomes are that you will be able to use present continuous tenses in your writing and speaking. Let's talk about the uses of present continuous tense. But before we talk about the uses, let's see what is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a grammatical tense and it can be used to describe when an action happened or it may happen. You can use it to describe the events that are happening in the present. When we say present, we mean right now. And we also talk about present continuous when we are talking about something that will happen in future. That means that something that hasn't happened yet, but we are sure that it will happen later on. We use present continuous to describe immediate events taking place in a current moment. For example, she is eating dinner right now and cannot answer the phone. We can also use present continuous tense for defining temporary period. You can use present continuous to describe any temporary period. When we say temporary situation, it means it is not long. It is a short time period. For example, he is studying a new language at the moment. You can also use present continuous tense to describe something that will take place in the future. For this, it means that you have planned to do something. For example, when we arrived at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. In this sentence, the situation has not come yet, but when it will come, we have planned to do this. So this situation is also included in present continuous tense. Here is the formula to form present continuous sentence. In this tense, the most important thing is helping verb. We use is, am and are as helping verb. For is, the subject is he, she and it. Am is used with I. Are is used with you, we and they. In present continuous tense, it is very important to use ing with verb. Ing's verb is also called present participle form. As you can see in the formula that we are using subject with helping verb with first form of verb that is followed with ing and with object. Here are some examples of assertive, interrogative and negative sentences in present continuous tense. You can have a look at these examples, and I'll see you in the next video with past continuous tense. Have a nice day.